Good evening from Graham Line Farm. It's August 28th, 2025, and it's about 7:40 in the evening. All the animals are taken care of. Just finished topping off the waters. They're grain and their hay. It's about 82 degrees right now. Got just a slight breeze, which feels good. I'm almost finished watering. I still got a couple more moves to do tomorrow. And I don't want to drag the hose over here to water the animals and drag it back. Hopefully this weekend we get the irrigation done. So that'll free up some valves and get a better pressure too. The goal is to put actually freeze valves down here, but I'm not sure that's going to happen before winter. So anyway, this weekend, Labor Day, we are going to be working on the farm here, trying to improve things before winter, and we'll see how much we get done. Appreciate you watching. Have a great evening. Catch you next time.